From the computer to Instagram, let's go.
Okay, so first we're going to go onto the settings, all the way down to the bottom, onto the settings on your Instagram page, and then we're going to go to account, and we scroll all the way down, and we're going to go switch account type, and you're going to make sure you are either on a creator account or a business account. I'm already on a business account here, but just select business or creator account in this section. This will then give you access to extra insights on your page, which are going to be very useful if you are creating content for a business format or as a creator. But it also will allow you to now use Creator Studio, where we can then post directly from our computer to Instagram. Okay, next we want to go to business.facebook.com/Creator Studio. Or you can just Google Creator Studio and you'll be brought here. We're going to now log in. You need to make sure before you log in you have linked your Instagram page to a Facebook page. Not your personal page, it needs to be a business page. So create one of those first. I've got a video coming out very soon about that. And once you are linked, you can then log in with Creator Studio into the page that is linked with your Instagram account. Once you are logged into Creator Studio, simply go to the Instagram tab at the top. Here, you'll have all the accounts that you are linked to on Instagram. All of here is the content being posted onto your accounts. You can then create a post onto Instagram feed, because who uses IGTV? Select the accounts you want to post to. You can write in your description and enter any hashtags you want. Add a location. All of the standard stuff that you can do. Insert emojis. Yeah. Then simply add in the content you want to use. Navigate to it on your folder on your computer. You can also post directly to Facebook as well at the same time. You will simply push publish, or you can schedule for later, which is very useful if you're going to do batch creation and you can schedule them all for multiple days in the week. You can use advanced settings where you can put in alt text, etc. Turn off comments. Wouldn't want to do that now. Simply push publish. Your Instagram post is being published to Instagram over here. And we can see here it has been posted to our Instagram. Well, hey, 55 seconds ago. And that's how you post to Instagram for your computer. Very useful for when you're creating in Photoshop or the likes, creating the files on the computer. Gives you a quick, easy way to post directly without having to do the whole wangle-dangle thing with the cables into your phone and transfer, open Android Studio. It gets messy, or using Google Drive or some other bollocks method. This makes it so much simpler and streamlined. Would definitely recommend it, especially if you're going to be creating a lot of content for your Instagram page. You can also delete it from there, and now it should have been removed from my Instagram page. So the Content Creator Studio allows you to manage your Instagram as well.
Hopefully that was helpful. Subscribe for more and have a fabulous day. Ethan out.